morning student. Today we are going to discuss an important physiological practical, that is the examination of a radial pulse. Examination of radial pulse is a component of a examination of a cardiovascular system, as well as it is also important because it is one of the vital signs which help you to tell the condition of the heart. So, before directly jumping to a practical, you should know the basic definition of a radial pulse. Radial pulse is an expansion of the arterial wall which is felt due to the transmission of a pressure wave during the systole of the heart. Now, radial, in spite of the examination of pulse in the radial artery, there are some other sites also where you can assess the pulse. That is the temporal artery, femoral artery, brachial artery, carotid artery. These are also some of the sites, but mostly we prefer a radial artery because it is easily palpable and easily accessible. It is felt over the head of the radius. Now, how can we perform the examination of a radial pulse? For that, subject should be relaxed for a few minutes before examining the radial pulse. Okay, what will be the position of the wrist and the forearm? The forearm should be semi-pronated and this should be slightly flexed. Now, where will we feel the radial pulse? It is felt over the head of the radius by using your three fingers. We have to use three fingers: proximal finger, middle finger and a distal finger. The finger which is near the heart, that is called as a proximal finger, which is in the center, that is the middle finger, and which is away from the heart, that is the distal finger. So we have to use three fingers, and this will be asked in the Viva also, the significance of the three fingers. The proximal finger is used for applying the pressure, middle finger is used for feeling the pulse, and the distal finger is used to obstruct the pulsation from the palmar arch. So this is the way how we will feel the pulse. So what parameter we have to cover for examining the radial pulse? First is the rate. In rate you have to count the pulse for a 1 minute. Normal pulse rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Less than 60 is called as a bradycardia and more than 100 is called as the tachycardia. Second is the rhythm. How will we see the rhythm? In rhythm you have to feel the expansion of the artery by your underlying middle finger. मिडल फिंगर के नीचे आपको अपनी जो रेडियल आर्टरी का कितना एक्सपेंशन फील होता है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पल्स. The volume pulse can be high and it can be low. It is high in the condition like thyrotoxicosis, anemia, जिसमें blood circulation hyperkinetic होता है, उसमें high volume pulse होती है, and it is low in conditions like shock. It is thin and thready pulse. The third parameter is the rhythm. In rhythm, you have to feel the pulse and you have to see the spacing between the consecutive pulse. Whether the spacing between the two pulses is regular or not. If the spacing between two pulses is same, then it is called a regular pulse, and if the spacing is not consistent, then it is called as the irregular pulse. Irregular pulse can be regularly irregular and irregularly irregular. If it is continuously irregular, then it is called as a irregularly irregular. And if it is the gap is more in between, बस एक मिनट पहले की rhythm. In rhythm you have to see the spacing between the two consecutive pulses. If the spacing is constant between two consecutive pulses, that is called as a regular rhythm, and if the spacing between two pulses is not constant, then it is called as a irregular pulse. Irregular pulse can be regularly irregular, and if it is continuously irregular, then it is called as a irregularly irregular. The rate, rhythm, volume. After that, the tension. What is tension? Tension is amount of pressure applied by your proximal finger to feel that pulse. That is called as the tension of a pulse. आपको अपने proximal finger से कितना प्रेशर लगाना पड़ता है मिडल फिंगर से पल्स फील करने के लिए, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? टेंशन. Tension signifies your diastolic blood pressure. If your diastolic blood pressure is more, the amount of tension will be more to feel that pulse. The next is the condition of the pulse. Condition of pulse means कि you have to use your 3 finger. First you will apply the pressure with your distal finger, then you will empty the artery by pressing it against your proximal finger and try to roll the artery against the head of the radius. Normally, in normal subjects, in young age, it is soft and elastic, so it is not palpable. But in old age, due to atherosclerosis, this artery become cord-like structure and it become easily palpable. Then next is the equality. In equality, you have to feel the radial artery, radial pulse in both the hands, okay, simultaneously. And all the parameter like rate, rhythm, volume, tension, that parameter should be equal on the both side, or it should be bilaterally symmetrical. That means the equality of the pulse. Next is the delay. Delay means you have to feel both the radial artery and the femoral artery in the groin region at the same time, and it should be able to palpable both the artery at the same time. There should be no gap. So that is called as a no delay. And last is the important related viva question asked in this practical is, first is based on the rate, that what is the normal rate. Normal rate is 60 to 900. Less than 60 is called bradycardia. More than 100 is called as a tachycardia. Which condition lead to bradycardia and which condition lead to tachycardia? Tachycardia is seen in the condition where there is increased sympathetic discharge like exercise, anxiety, fear, tension. Okay, bradycardia is seen in condition like condition where you are in resting stage, in sports, where subject, in athlete, where the parasympathetic drive is low. Then based on rhythm, irregular rhythm is seen in condition like heart block, in condition like heart block, okay, in condition like atrial flutter, atrial fibrillation. In this condition the rhythm is irregular. Then question are based on volume is that low volume pulse is seen in a shock like condition where the blood volume is low. High volume pulse is seen in condition like thyrotoxicosis, anemia, pregnancy, where there is a hyperkinetic solution, hyperkinetic circulation. Then the last important viva question is pulse effects deficit. Pulse effects deficit. What do you mean by pulse effects deficit? In condition where pulse rate is lesser than the heart rate. As the name suggests, pulse rate is lesser than the heart rate. That means the pulse effects deficit, and it is seen in the condition of irregularities of the heart. Thank you. This was all about